Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Burgess Hill in West Sussex, really local to us, and excited to show you around this unique bespoke Black Edition garden room that we've recently completed. So these clients approached us around about 5-6 months ago with a dream. They'd been left some money from mum. They wanted to do something to remember her and to utilise the space and enjoy the garden. And this idea has come up from it, working with us. The original area on the front here was a garage at the lower level. You can see some steps going down by that gate. So the garage was completely removed, and then we've raised that up from that point, but actually come onto the garden to ensure we conform to the 2.5 metre rule. And the idea was that it had a canopy for a hot tub, a garden store for all the stuff that was in the garage, plus a garden room. Now, when they came to the centre, we had just launched our Black Edition building. Rob's sales office was there with these oak trims, and they completely fell in love with it. And the end result is us working with them on this lovely design. So the building is actually, this bit here is one of our kite pre-designs, essentially, exactly the same size, 4.2 by 2.5 deep, and that is essentially just the start point of, you could call it pre-design, but of course we've then completely bespoke this building. Instead of having the store attached to the building, we've created this lovely canopy. It's 2.5 metres wide, and then the store at 2 metres, and it just works so nice. And I've got to say, the first black and oak option that we've done, it really does work well. The whole idea was we can keep that zero maintenance, keep the 10-year guarantee, but have some warmth that the timber gives you. And I've got to say, I think this does a really good job of it. The room, literally, we've completed this last week, so the room isn't even fully furnished yet, but you've got the black double doors on there now with the black UPVC windows. The nice double doors working exactly the same way as the anthracite buildings you've seen. So a nice big open space, 1.7 metre aperture, and inside, actually painted by the clients in this instant. It's going to be used as a games kind of family room, jigsaw puzzles, music and all those other things, and added entertainment to the property. We've done that nice oak trim on the fascia there as well, which I really like, and it's just a project I'm super proud of. Fully completed with the base, the electrics, internet, and the external painting, with the clients doing the inside. So there you go, that's a complete and bespoke garden room with canopy and store over in Burgess Hill. If this building's of interest to you, if you want to know more about our new Black Edition and the oak trims and what we're doing there, then feel free to contact us. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you for watching.